Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Repair Workshop by Newell Gaming on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro, and this, well, is a repair workshop. Find it under Tools. There it is, 15 grand for the building. Nicely detailed. It's not, it looks like it's been here a while. I like how open it is. It would have been nice to be able to go inside. We can kind of peek inside. Maybe there's too much junk in there like my garage and you have to work outside. But anyways, you just have to park it anything you want wherever thereabouts. And there it is, repair or customize. And it's pretty simple. Nicely decorated. Pretty cool. Maybe it'll fit in with your farm. Repair Workshop. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.